And welcome to Diana's Sewing and Stuff. And I'm going to be cleaning, oiling, and rethreading my Juki TL 2010Q. Just taking off my extension table there. And I got to take this swing gauge off so I can get to everything. The swing gauge is a fabulous accessory if you have a Juki TL machine. It allows you to set it for two different widths at once. I set mine for a 1/4 inch and then about, I don't know, I set it for far out, probably about 1.5 inches on the other side. All right, I popped out my bobbin and also checked it to make sure it still has thread. And it does. Throw away my needle. And now I gotta unscrew the plate. Unscrew. Oop, I forgot to take the thread out. There. Cut the thread, took the thread out so it's out of the way. All right, now I'm getting a cleaning swab. You can find those on Amazon. I got mine from Juki Junkies. When I place an order there, if I need more, I just throw them into an order. Little plug for them. But those cleaning swabs are great. They just grab everything. I think if you're looking for them on Amazon, I think they're just, they call them for electronics or something. So now there's a lot of cleaning to be done. It got pretty messy in there. I was trying to get to the feed dogs, but I hadn't taken my foot off yet. All right, foot's gone. Fibers on the feed dogs are gone. Clean the bobbin casing area. Now in the bottom, a lot of stuff lands. So I do the cleaning once a week. I work during the week, but every weekend I spend sewing, and it makes a mess in there, so I want to get that out. I don't know what that face was for. For oiling, I do put a drop of oil in the bobbin case area about once a week, or with every bobbin change. And for the rest of the oiling, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots to drop a drop of oil, which I do about after every 8 hours of actual sewing time. So for me, that's every few weeks. But I'll be doing it here. Now this is an oiling pen that's actually jammed up. So I'm going to dip it into my oil container and try to get it drop into the bobbin area there. I don't want to put the whole bottle in there. Test. Right, one more try. Yay. And turn the wheel to get that oil to spread around. I have a new oiling pen coming next week. There's 2 of the oil holes. There's 2 on the other side. And there's 2 underneath the throat here in the harp area that you can't see. And I'm just going to clean up a little bit. Piece of cotton fabric. Say goodbye to the dirty swab. Oh yeah, put my knee lifter back on, and now the plate goes back in. I just love mechanical machines. They're simple, there's not a bunch of computerized craziness that can go wrong. Most anything that goes wrong, you can just fix it yourself. And she sews like a dream. It's a straight stitch sewing machine. There we go, got the bobbin back in there. And now I'm checking to make sure I have the right needles. I want to use the 8012s right now, not the 9014 top stitchers that I have. Now you get to watch my struggle. For some reason it wasn't going right in. With the Juki TL machines, you have to make sure the flat part of the needle is facing to the right. And the needle hole goes left to right. Struggle, struggle, struggle. Struggle. Okay, got it in. Yay. Alright, oil, moving oil around. And now we gotta rethread this puppy. I said rethread this puppy. Do it. There we go. In the hole, around the first tension, and the second tension. If you open the tension discs, it works a lot better. You do that by lifting your foot. And then put it down once you have all the thread you need. And you want it stable for the needle threading. Blip. Needles threaded. Da-da-da. Now I'm looking for a piece of scrap to test my stitches. I don't know how to find one. You would think there would be scraps everywhere. There usually are. All right, little test drive. Zoom. Looks good on the front, good on the back. Yay! All right, thanks for watching. Bye.